Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to connect your Wi-Fi camera to your TV. If you've been wondering how to get your camera feed up on a bigger screen, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Things first, make sure your TV supports casting or screen mirroring. Most modern smart TVs do, especially if you have an Android TV, a Chromecast, or a Fire TV stick. If you're not sure, check your TV specs or go into the settings to see if it has a casting or mirroring option. This step is important because without it, your phone won't be able to send the feed to your TV. Next, open the Eufy security app on your phone. This is where all the action happens. Once the app is open, look for the cast icon. It usually looks like a small rectangle with a Wi-Fi symbol in the corner. Tap on that icon and you should see a list of devices you can connect to. Find your TV in that list and select it. Your phone will now start connecting to the TV. Once the connection is established, it's time to choose the camera feed you want to display. Tap on the camera and just like that, your live feed should appear on your TV. You can switch between multiple cameras if you have more than one, making it super convenient to monitor different areas of your home or office. Any lag or issues, make sure both your phone and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. Sometimes, restarting the app or your TV can help smooth things out. Also, make sure your Wi-Fi camera firmware and app are up to date, as updates often fix connectivity bugs. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can view your Wi-Fi camera feed right on your big screen. It's perfect for keeping an eye on your home, checking in on pets, or even just getting a better view than your phone screen allows. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your bigger, clearer camera view. Stay safe, and until next time, happy connecting.